Google Chrome isn't just fast and convenient. It also has features that make browsing easier for people with different needs. Whether you want bigger text, better contrast, or voice assistance, Chrome has tools that help make the internet more accessible. Today, we'll go through some of the best accessibility tips you can use right now. First, zoom and text size are simple but powerful. You can press Ctrl+++ to zoom in, Ctrl+- to zoom out, or Ctrl+0 to reset. Chrome also lets you adjust font size in the settings so you can make reading more comfortable without changing your screen resolution. Next is high contrast mode, perfect if you have difficulty distinguishing colors. By installing the high contrast extension, you can instantly change web pages to black and white or adjust colors to reduce eye strain. It's a small tweak that makes a big difference for readability. Chrome also supports screen readers and voice commands. Built-in accessibility features work with tools like ChromeVox to read text aloud or describe buttons and links. For anyone with visual challenges, this turns regular browsing into a fully navigable experience. Another helpful tool is keyboard navigation. You can navigate most websites using just your keyboard, tab between links, use Enter to open pages, and Shift+Tab to go backward. This is faster and safer for users who struggle with a mouse. Don't forget live caption, which automatically captions audio and video on websites. Whether you're watching tutorials, listening to podcasts, or attending meetings online, live captions help you follow along without missing a word. Finally, Chrome lets you customize accessibility settings all in one place. Go to Settings, Accessibility, and you'll find options like Simplified View for web pages, caret browsing, and more. These tools make browsing easier, faster, and more comfortable for everyone. If you want more tips to make tech work for you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future guides.